Experiencing a no signal error on your Sceptre 144Hz monitor can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to enjoy high refresh rate gaming. Let's understand what causes this issue and how to fix it systematically. The no signal error typically occurs due to problems in the signal chain between your graphics card and monitor. This includes bandwidth limitations, failed EID handshakes, or incorrect timing standards. The first thing to check is your cable. For 144Hz at 1080p, you need DisplayPort 1.2 or higher for reliable performance. HDMI 1.4 may only support 144Hz at 1080p, while HDMI 2.0 can handle 4040p at 144Hz. Ensure your cable is connected directly to your discrete graphics card, not the motherboard. The motherboard's integrated graphics typically cannot support high refresh rates reliably. Check your Sceptre monitor's available ports. Most models include HDMI 1.4, HDMI 2.0, and DisplayPort 1.2 connections. For the best 144Hz experience, use the DisplayPort connection when possible. Verify that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues with Sceptre monitors and prevent proper 144Hz operation. By systematically checking these components, cable quality, connection points, monitor ports, and driver updates, you can often pinpoint the cause of the no signal error and get your monitor working at its intended 144Hz refresh rate. When basic cable checks fail, we need advanced troubleshooting. First, configure your Windows display settings properly. If 144Hz isn't available in Windows settings, create a custom resolution in your graphics driver control panel. For NVIDIA users, open the NVIDIA control panel. AMD users should access AMD Radeon settings. Look for the Custom Resolutions section and create a new resolution with 144Hz refresh rate. For complex issues, use EDID management tools like Custom Resolution Utility. This advanced tool lets you modify the display data your monitor sends to your computer. Power management issues can cause signal problems. First, disable USB Selective Suspend in Windows Power Options to prevent USB ports from powering down. Finally, adjust PCIe Link State Power Management. Set this to off to prevent your graphics card from reducing power to the display connection during operation. These advanced troubleshooting steps address the most common causes of persistent no-signal issues. Start with display settings, then try custom resolutions, and use power management adjustments as a last resort.